Hey guys, I'm Valda, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 4 different methods to remove sticky residue off of your manga books. Or any books, really. I'm going to leave timestamps in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Okay, first up is Goo Gone. This has always been a go-to method of mine, so it's the first one I will show off. I start by removing the sticker here. Sometimes they come all the way off, no problem, and sometimes they leave a bit of residue. Now I am taking my cotton swab, which is covered in Goo Gone, and I am gently rubbing the sticker off. It should get most of the residue off straight away. The downside of Goo Gone is that it will make your house smell like citrus. If you like the smell of Goo Gone, great! If not, make sure that you do this in a well-ventilated area with plenty of fans to purge the smell from your house. I am now using a cotton ball with Goo Gone to try and remove any remaining stickiness. This is what the volume looks like so far. Lastly, I'm just taking a damp paper towel and trying to rub off the Goo Gone and any residue that is left on the volume cover. And ta-da! It's all done! Now grab a plant, drink some tea, hug a cat, and relax. Now that you've recovered from the smell, it's time to put on your bandana and go in for round 2. Up next is Isopropyl 70% Alcohol. Just like before, I am beginning by removing the sticker. Then I am soaking the cotton swab with the alcohol, and I start by gently rubbing the sticker off. This method did take a lot longer than the Goo Gone, and there was still lots of stickiness that was left over. While this method gets the sticker off, the book still had a bit of stickiness that the alcohol just wasn't removing. If you use this method, just keep in mind that it takes a lot of patience. It'll take longer than the Goo Gone, and it may not get all the stickiness off completely. In the end, I ended up finishing off the remaining stickiness with just a tiny bit of Goo Gone and a damp paper towel to finish off the remaining residue. Next is the nail polish. Proceed with the cotton swab dabbed in nail polish and get started on that sticker. This method is admittingly the worst so far. It does work, but it is very time consuming and it's not nearly as effective as the first 2 methods that I just showed you. Similar to the isopropyl, while the nail polish does work in removing the sticker, it is a struggle to remove the remaining residue. Keep that in mind if you use this method. The remaining stickiness on this was pretty intense. You may want to use Goo Gone to finish the task if you have any on hand, just to get rid of any remaining tackiness that you can feel with your fingers when you touch the volume where the sticker used to be. The last challenger is the hairdryer. Yes, surprisingly, it works. When the heat from the hairdryer is applied, it helps the sticker come off more easily.
Hi, I'm a different voice than what you've heard earlier. Did you know that the average hairdryer is in the 80 to 90 decibel range? That's the same decibel range that can hurt your hearing permanently through long exposure. Do yourself a favor and protect your hearing with the appropriate hearing protection measures, such as earplugs and the like. Or don't and suffer the consequences.
What?
Oh no, it's already too late.
Now you've seen all 4 methods. Most people probably have these items in their household already. Out of all 4, my favorite is Goo Gone. I would say that the hairdryer would probably be my second method of choice, as it really does help to peel that sticker off. There is some residue left over, however, but it was much quicker than the isopropyl and the nail polish methods. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, check me out on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
No.